If we have a hydroxide concentration of 1.0 times 10 to the negative fourth molar, what is the pOH? If we want to solve this problem, we need to know the relationship between OH minus and pOH. pOH is equal to the negative log of our OH minus concentration. So in order to get pOH here, we need to do the negative log of 1.0 times 10 to the negative fourth. That should give us a pOH of 4. Let's apply that to the second problem. We have an OH minus concentration of 3.2 times 10 to the negative 6 molar. What is the pOH? Again, our pOH is equal to the negative log of our OH minus concentration, which in this case is 3.2 times 10 to the negative 6th. That gives us a pOH of 5.49. Let's look at one more example. Here we have an OH minus concentration of 7.5 times 10 to the negative 2 molar. What is the pOH? We're going to do the exact same thing, where our pOH is going to be the negative log of 7.5 times 10 to the negative second. And that gives us a pOH value of 1.12. What if we had to go the other way? If we're given a pOH value and we need to find the OH minus concentration, we're going to have to do the opposite of what we did previously. So if you could recall, the pOH is equal to negative log of our OH minus concentration. Well, now we want our OH minus to be by itself on one side of the equal sign. So we need to essentially cancel out the log on the right side. In order to do that, you want to recognize that it's a log base 10, and the way you read it is the log base to the power of whatever's by itself on the other side of the equal sign, also taking into account the coefficient here in front of the log. In this case, it's that negative sign, which is a negative 1, and that's going to be equal to whatever is inside that log. So to put it into terms for our equation, we will have OH minus being equal to 10 to the negative pOH power. If we look at this first problem, we have a pOH of 2. So OH minus is equal to 10 to the negative second power, which is just 1 times 10 to the negative second. So if you look at this one, we have a 6.38 pOH. To get the OH minus concentration, we're going to do 10 to the negative 6.38 power, and that should give us a concentration of 4.17 times 10 to the negative 7th molar. Let's look at one more. The pOH is 10.73. What is the OH minus concentration? Again, our OH minus concentration is going to be 10 to the negative pOH power. So 10 to the negative 10.73 power. That gives us a concentration of 1.86 times 10 to the negative 11 molar. Thanks for watching.